Good morning, children. Science lesson number 1, The Living World, Adaptations and Classifications. Children, we are learning various adaptations in animals. Adaptation means the gradual changes in the structural and in the behavior of animals, living organisms, to adjust themselves to the surroundings. Yesterday we learned adaptations of animals in snowy region and adaptations in aerial animals and reptiles. Today we are going to learn two topics. One is adaptation for food in animals and adaptation for blending with the surroundings. Now let us see adaptation for food in animals. Adaptations for food in animals. Like plants, animals also have adaptations to get us food. We can see some special physical features in animals to get us food. Animals are categorized into herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. We can see adaptation in each category. For example, herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals means the animals which eats plants. These animals eat the hard parts of the plants like stem and root, and they have special adaptation. The molar teeth help them to grind and chew the plant hard parts. And whereas carnivorous animals means the animals which eats flesh of other animals. Adaptation seen in the leg and in the teeth structure. The sharp canine teeth of carnivorous animals helps to tear the skin of its prey and eats it. And adaptations in garden lizard and frog. The long and sticky tongue. Here you can see the long and sticky tongue in garden lizard and in frogs, which help them to catch the insects. And for kingfisher, sparrow. The small beak of sparrow help to pick the grains. The long and pointed beak of kingfisher help to catch the fishes. We can see adaptations in butterflies and in mosquitoes also. Butterflies eat the nectars of plants. Nectars means the sugary juice produced by the plants. Butterfly's mouth acts like a straw to help to get the nectars. And but mosquitoes also eat nectars of plants same time to fulfill the need of proteins. The needle-like structure in the mouth of mosquitoes helps to pure the skin of animals and humans and gets the blood. And in snakes don't have that teeth structure like to grind and chew, but it can open its mouth as wide and swallow its prey and digest it. And woodpecker having very strong and that sharp beak, he helps to drill that trees and to eat insects. And woodpecker depends the trees for his food and for the shelter. And very uncommon neck in a giraffe. Here you can see the neck is very uncommon, very long. The uncommon neck of a giraffe helps to eat the leaves from the top of the tree. And these are the various adaptations in animals for the food. Now let us see adaptation for blending with the surroundings. Adaptation for blending with the surroundings. Children, can you point some insects and animals hidden over you? Butterflies, lizards. Here you can see frogs and grasshoppers. We can't spot them easily. The reason because they are totally merged, blend with the surroundings. This is known as camouflage. Camouflage means totally blend, that is merge with the surroundings. We can't easily spot or identify that animals or insects hidden over there. And this is known as camouflage. Organisms use camouflage to hide their location and their movement. These adaptations help them to catch prey and avoid the predators. And for the predators, this adaptation helps to catch its prey. We can see that various patterns, usually animals and insects use that various colors and texture and patterns camouflage to help to get his food, same time to avoid from the predators. Here you can see various patterns and colors of butterflies, and various textures and colors of lizards, and here also various combination of colors and textures of frog and grasshopper color camouflage. And for the snakes, they know that totally pattern and color camouflage. This helps them to totally hide from the predators, and for the predators which help to catch his prey. And this is known as adaptation for blending with the surroundings. And children, tomorrow we will learn how that organisms are classified. Thank you, children.